Imagine cruising through the vineyards of Médoc in a convertible Citroën DS limousine, sipping on some of the world's finest wines. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, in Pauillac, this dream can become a reality. Nestled on the left bank of the Gironde River, north of Bordeaux, lies the charming town of Pauillac. Known for its world-class vineyards, Pauillac is a must-visit destination for wine lovers and history buffs alike. Pauillac is home to some of the most prestigious vineyards in the world. The region's unique climate and soil composition create the perfect conditions for producing top-quality wines. From the robust Cabernet Sauvignon to the delicate Merlot, the wines of Pauillac are a testament to the region's rich viticultural heritage. For those who appreciate luxury and sustainability, the Bordeaux wine tour in a Tesla is a must. Discover the Bordeaux wine regions in style aboard the elegant and avant-garde Tesla. If you prefer a more personalized experience, the private Médoc full-day tour is the perfect choice. Your guide will pick you up from your hotel or downtown Bordeaux and take you on a journey through the Médoc region. The Route des Grands Vins du Médoc is a journey through time. This tailor-made trip takes you through the Médoc region, home to famous wines such as Château Latour, Margaux, and Mouton Rothschild. Pauillac is not just about wine. The town is steeped in history with numerous historical landmarks and attractions that tell the story of the region's past. If you have more time to spare, the Bordeaux Gironde Wine 2 days tour is a great option. This tour takes you on a 2-day adventure through the Médoc region, visiting 8 famous vineyards along the way. Pauillac, with its world-class vineyards and rich history, is a destination that should be on every wine lover's bucket list. Plan your visit to Pauillac today and embark on a journey you'll never forget.